In this video, I'm going to show you how to use HotSchedules availability. So the first thing you want to do is go to the HotSchedules.com website and log in with your account. Then next, you want to go to the very top left of your screen where you can see this navigation panel button. Simply press it, hover over the Settings tab, and then click the first thing that pops up which says Personal. Simply click it and you'll be redirected into a site where you can change your availability. So to use the HotSchedules availability feature, you will first have to create a new availability. So under availability, it says plus over here, this gray plus, excuse me. You want to click on it, and then first you'll have to select the effective date. Now for me, let's say I'm going to do it October 5th, okay? Then you have to put in a reason for change of your availability. So let's say I'm going to put in just change right now, but of course you can put in whatever you would like to. So the next thing you have to do is to click and drag over here to set your availability on the given days of the week. So there's a key up here, which is very important. When there's white space, blank space, just like right now, you're available, okay? So as you can see, it's only white. It says available all day for each and every single day of the week. Now, when it's unavailable and when you're unavailable, you have to make it grayed out just like this. And the way you do this is by clicking and dragging when there's on each and every single day availability not available for you, okay? So in simple terms, when you're unavailable, you have to drag it and make it gray. Now you can do this, for example, let's say for Monday, I'm gonna click and drag over here, and Tuesday over here, and let's say I'm gonna go Wednesday again, and then Thursday yet again, and then for Friday I'm gonna do over here, Saturday over here, and then Sunday over here as well. Now, as you can see, I've set a completely random availability that may not make any sense. However, according to your personal situation, of course, you're going to make it your own. Now, let's say you've made a mistake and this isn't what you wanted to do. What you can do is simply just, if you want to clean it, you can double click that day. So as you can see, if I were to make a mistake over here, if I double click that day, it's going to make me unavailable all day, and then yet again, available all day. So the easiest way to clean everything is simply to double click on each and every single day. And just like this, as you can see, you've now cleaned everything. So just like this, if you want to make yourself, let's say, unavailable all day, simply press unavailable all day over here. So press in the day and it will make it unavailable for that day. The easiest way to clean all availabilities is to click clear availability down here at the bottom right, and just like this, everything I've selected has been removed. Now, of course, if you want to change it, and let's say you just made a mistake at one place, what you can do is simply go to the very edge of that availability when you're unavailable, as you can see over here, and then you can easily just drag it. So you can see this arrow button, you can drag it to the right, the left, and that's it, okay? Same as when you're unavailable, you can make yourself available by clicking in here. So if I clear this, and if I make myself unavailable at all days, I can now select my availability and available hours by dragging over here and making it this white color. As you can see, there we go. So that's pretty much it. Once you're happy with your availability and once you've done it the way you want it to be, you can simply press Submit Availability down here. It will say Saved Changes, and that's it. Now, if you at a later date want to again delete this availability, you can come back to this screen and you can do this two ways. Click on your availability and press either this X button up here or this Delete Availability button down here at the bottom right. Simply click on it and then it will say, are you sure you want to delete availability beginning on Saturday, October 5th? Press delete, and just like that, your availability has been deleted. So I hope this video helped you out, and if it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.